Last year we were made aware of a grant opportunity and we were able to write a grant for this printer specifically to help out our upper school students in some of the more advanced designs that they were trying to create. The technology is pretty accessible for our students, so students in the middle school levels, students in the upper school levels have been able to even start printing already. Our students being able to see this in class where they don't have to buy a hobby grade machine is something that they're not going to see maybe until they get to college.
This printer lets me challenge my students to not just prototype parts, but to print parts that can stand up to the stresses and strains that are required for drones and robotics. We're going to launch several clubs that are building robots that solve real problems. So drones that engage in real-world problems like search and rescue. We're going to design propellers and wings and test them in wind tunnels. And again, that's something that you can't really do unless you have the precision and strength of a machine like this.
I guess I would like to just say thank you, to the Providence Day community for making that grant even a possibility for us. It's really great to see their continued support.
I mean, the grant was a fantastic opportunity. It let us launch our drone program. And I'm really excited to see what the kids are going to build and accomplish with this technology and this grant.